Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome back to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I'm here at Liverpool on a South Line. I'm going to film a few trains for my loyal viewers. If you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe tab at the bottom of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs.
The train on platform 4 goes to Leppington. First stop, Kasuva, then Glenfield, Edmondson Park, and Leppington.
Anyway viewers, that will be all for this episode of Paul's Train Vlogs. Bit of a quick one here at Liverpool. Now I'm going to wrap up the video. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Don't forget to give the video the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. And I will see you next time. Until we meet again, it's goodbye for now.